how to add page numbers in Word on the Mac. So all we need to do with the Microsoft Word document open is come up to Insert. Then you should see Page Numbers here. Drop this down. Then select Page Numbers. This dialog box will open where you can choose the position. So you can have top of page in the header or bottom of page at the footer. Once you've chosen, you can then choose the alignment. So left, centre, right, inside and outside. On the right hand side here, it shows you in the dialog box how everything will look. Once you've done that, you can choose format. Now at the top here with this drop down, you can choose the number format. We'll keep it as standard. Then underneath here, you can see page numbering. It says continue from previous section, or you can start at. So for instance, if you wanted to skip the first 2 pages, for instance, and start at page 3, you could write number 3 here, and the numbering will start from page 3, or page 2, whichever one you choose. So we can press OK, then OK again. Now you can see at the bottom here, we have page 1. If we keep pressing enter, we can see page 2, page 3, and it will just keep going as you go down the pages. So that's how to add page numbers in Word on the Mac. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.